So this is going to be a fun video for me because I'm going to show you my mint collection. We're going into spring now, so all of these plants are bouncing back after they've died back for the winter. So I will start with some of the mint varieties that most people are used to, and then go into some that you may not have heard of at all. So first we got Peppermint. This one you'll be used to using in maybe cooking or having it with tea. It has a very minty flavor and smell, maybe like toothpaste. And then over here we got Spearmint, and these ones I've found can be easily combined together to accent one another. We've tried tea blends and adding them to drinks, and if you have multiple flavors of mint together, it gives a very smooth, interesting taste. So next we got, this is a Mexican mint, and it has a similar quality, but definitely different. Next I got a strawberry mint, and it gets that name because it very much smells like strawberries. It's uncanny how much it smells like strawberries. And then next, and this one's just starting to come back in, is a ginger mint. And as you might have guessed, it smells a bit like ginger. It's got a kind of a bite to it. Maybe not bite, but it's got an edge to its aroma. And then here is the orange mint, and you can see that it is coming back in force. If I were to plant this in the ground, it would just take over right now. That's something that lots of mints, well, all mints really, if you plant them in the ground, then they will take over the space that they've been planted in. So the orange mint, you guessed it, it's going to smell like orange. Oh yeah, that has a very citrusy scent to it. This one here I might not be able to sample too well. So this is the banana mint, and it actually died back considerably, and I was worried that I was going to lose it, but it's coming in now. Let me see if I can get a little sample. This one's scent is still really subtle. It might have something to do with the new growth being so young. So the next one we got is the pineapple mint. And this one can have a little bit different looking leaves. They have this kind of white cresting around them. But new growth tends to look very similar to other varieties. And then next, we got the Mojito Mint. And this one has some similar looking qualities to the pineapple mint. Both of them tend to have this kind of furry look to their leaves. Next, we got the chocolate mint. And these ones, I believe, tend to be paired with chocolate. And they have a pretty smooth scent, similar. It's kind of a cross between peppermint and spearmint, but still different, in my opinion. And then Next, I have a Spanish mint, and I think it may be similar to the Mexican mint. I'm not sure. I've been smelling too many mints now. And then last, I have an apple mint, and this one definitely smells like apple. It's weird how much it smells like apple. So that's my mint collection as it stands now. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, a dozen varieties of mint. There are definitely more out there, but these are the ones I've collected so far. So yeah, that's the mint varieties that I've collected and the wide world of mint.